Welcome in our Bharat Bharati YouTube classes. Today we will discuss about soil. Okay? Soil is very important part of our earth, made up of from soil. Today we will discuss about different part of soil and how soil form. Also we will discuss about this, and how many layer of soil also we will discuss. Okay, first we will discuss about how soil is formed. Formation of soil. How soil is formed, we can also say formation of soil. Actually, soil formation takes approx 500 years. Formation of soil, if soil is formed, takes time approx 500 years. So it is a very long time. Then how soil is formed in ancient time, we can also say. Okay, it means when sunlight incident on the surface of rocks. Okay, it means when sunlight incident on the surface of rock, due to heating of rock, some crack formed on the surface of rock. Okay, it means when sunlight incident on the surface of rock get heated, and due to heating of rock, some crack form on the surface of rock. Okay, after that, this cracked rock converted into small pieces. This cracked rock changes into small pieces. Okay, we can also say converted into fine pieces. This process is called weathering. Weathering means when sunlight incident on the surface of rock, on the surface of rock, crack formed. That crack converted into small pieces of rock, and these small pieces of rock carried away by wind and water, and this converted into small pieces. This is called weathering. It means weathering is a process of formation of soil. Weathering is the process of formation of soil. Also, different kind of soil. It depends on particles. In which soil, which type of particle founded. Okay, in which soil, which type of particle founded. It depends on kind of soil, types of soil. But before discussing types of soil, first of all, I want to discuss layer of soil. Okay, according to fertility, according to different particles present in soil divided into main 4 layers. How many layers? Main 4 layers. Soil divided into main 4 layers. First one is layer of soil. Layer of soil. First one is O horizon. O horizon. And second one is A horizon. A horizon. And third one is B horizon. B horizon. And fourth one is C horizon. Here layer of soil O horizon, A horizon, B horizon and C horizon. Okay, but here A horizon also known as top soil. A horizon is also known as top soil. It means we can also say A horizon top soil. Clear? A horizon is also known as top soil and B horizon also known as subsoil. B horizon also known as subsoil and C horizon also known as bedrock. Okay, here all four layers of soil written O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon. A horizon is known as topsoil, B horizon is known as subsoil and C horizon is known as bedrock. Now we will discuss about which horizon soil is more fertile and in which horizon of soil is plant root grow and in which horizon of soil is plant root not grow and in which horizon of soil contain, we can also say in which horizon of soil present minerals which is absorbed by plant as a nutrients. Okay, but first of all we will discuss about O horizon. Okay, this is the top layer of soil that is made up of humus. O horizon, top layer of soil made up of horizon comprising living and decomposed material like how it is formed top layer, O horizon, because this is most fertile layer, this contain humus. How humus is formed? Material like leaves, plant and buds. It means also you can say this layer decompose like decaying leaves, decaying plant and buds. This layer is very thin, fertile and dark in color. It means very healthy soil for growing crops, for growing plant. Okay, it means plant take nutrients, plant get nutrients, plant help in growing, which is provided by nutrients by O horizon. It means nutrients present in O horizon. Also you can say है ना, very fertile means is very healthy soil. Okay, and in terms of color, if we talk about color, O horizon soil is dark in color. Okay, O horizon soil is dark in color. It means O horizon soil color is dark. Okay, and layer very thin. Actually also different layer of soil thickness are different. Okay, different layer of soil has thickness different. It means in terms of all four horizon, O horizon is very thin. O horizon soil is very thin. It means O horizon soil thickness is very thin. Up next one is A horizon or top soil. A horizon or top soil. It is located just below the O horizon. It means as O horizon as O horizon and A horizon start. Okay, means it is just located below the O horizon. This layer is made of minerals and decomposed organic matter and very fertile. This layer also very fertile. This layer also contains nutrients which is absorbed by plant, which is taken by plant with the help of root. Okay, as we know in previous chapter we have already discussed how plant make their own food, how plant prepare their own food. As we know, plant make their own food in the presence of sunlight, in the presence of water in the presence of air, and green part of plant. So we have already discussed in previous YouTube classes about photosynthesis process. Okay, plant make their own food in the presence of sunlight, water, air. Air means here carbon dioxide. Okay, air means here carbon dioxide. Just talking about sunlight, air. Air means carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, which is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment of plant. Green in color. It means also you can say green part of plant is called chlorophyll. Okay? So all these four important things which participate in food preparation in plant. Okay? Also one important part which is present on the surface of leaves is called stomata. Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves is called stomata. Stomata helps in exchange of gases. It means if plant make their own food, exchange of gases also occur. Okay, but as we know, only when plant make their own food when sunlight present. If sunlight not present, plant not able to prepare their own food. It means sunlight necessary. But just talking about stomata play a very important role in exchange of gases, exchange of water vapor. It means here exchange of water vapor means if excess water present in plant which is exchanged by stomata. Stomata means tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Okay? In the process of photosynthesis, it means when plant make their own food. It means when plant make their own food in the presence of sunlight, plant release oxygen and take carbon dioxide. This process also very important process to maintain oxygen balance in our earth. In our earth, plant balance the oxygen in our earth, in our atmosphere. Okay, it means if this process not happen, oxygen not balance in our atmosphere. It means oxygen balance in our atmosphere play a very important role by a plant, by a photosynthesis process. But I want to discuss very important point before. Okay, oxygen released by plant, byproduct. Okay, byproduct. It means plant only can prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, with the help of air means necessary for make their own food. Plant need carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide converted into oxygen and plant make their own food in form of starch. Okay, in form of starch, and this starch uses by plant for the growth, development. Okay, for the growth and development. But as we know, plant make their own food only daytime. What happen at night time? What will happen at night time? At night time, plant not make their own food, but a plant make their own food in daytime, which is excess. If plant make their own food in daytime, which is excess, This excess food also stored by plant. This excess food also stored by plant. Which part of plant store their food? Plant leaves also can store food. Excess food which is prepared by plant. Plant fruit also store their food. Plant stem also play an important role to store food. Diet store food used by plant in future. We can also say in future means at night time when plant not prepare their own food. Okay, this one was how plant grow, how plant make their own food, and in which layer of soil plant would grow. This was okay. But here just talking about a horizon or top soil. A horizon or top soil. It is located just below the O horizon. This layer is made up of minerals and decomposed organic matter and very fertile. It means minerals means just like human beings needed vitamin and minerals for protection of external diseases. Also plant need minerals for growth and development. Also need nutrients by plant for growth and development. These minerals present in A horizon and this is absorbed by root of plant from the A horizons. Next one is it is also very dark in color. Plant grow in this layer. Just talking about O horizon color dark. It means O horizon dark in color. Same as B horizon, so as A horizon also dark in color. It means A horizon soil color also dark in color. Okay. Next one is B horizon or subsoil. Next one is B horizon and subsoil. It is located just below the A horizon. It means as A horizon ended and B horizon start. Okay. It is located just below the A horizon. This layer has clay and minerals deposit and lays in humus. But this mineral has clay and minerals and deposit and lays humus. But in B horizon or subsoil lays in humus. It means this layer lays in humus. Okay, and lighter in color. It means B horizon soil color light. Okay. Next one is C horizon. It is located just below the B horizon. As B horizon ended and C horizon started. Okay. It means it is located just below the B horizon. This layer is made up of large pieces of rock. C horizon made up of large pieces of rock. It means in C horizon rock particles present, not small, large pieces of rock, okay, are present in this layer. Plant root are not founded in this layer. Okay, if not founded in this layer, it means plant root not grow in this layer. Which layer? C horizon. Okay, or bedrock. It means plant root grow in which layer? B horizons. Okay, B horizon also contain minerals. A horizon also contain minerals. In this horizon A and B, plant root grow, get nutrients from A and B, absorbed by root of plant nutrients from A and B horizon. Okay, this was layer of soil and just discussing about properties of also this layer which is O horizon and A horizon and B horizon, which kind of particles made up of, and which type of nutrients present, which type of color content. Okay, all these parts are discussing about O horizon, A horizon, B horizon and C horizons. Okay, next one is erosions. Okay, what is erosions? Actually, just discussing about soil divided into 4 layers: O, A, B and C horizons. The top layer of soil contains humus and nutrient-rich materials. Here, top layer means O horizon. Also, top soil means A horizon. Okay, the top layer of soil contains humus and nutrient-rich material and very fertile layer needed the crops. Okay, needed by the crops. This layer carried away by agent like, which agent means which is responsible for soil erosion. Okay, which is responsible for soil erosion. It means this phenomena is called soil erosion. It means top layer of soil carried away by agent like wind, rain, water means heavily rain, and floods we can also say. All these are responsible for soil erosion. This means this all agent responsible for soil erosion. All these agent responsible for carried away soil from one place to another place. Okay, this phenomena is called soil erosion. Soil erosion takes the fertile and dry, barren and infertile. Okay. Next one is causes of soil erosion. Causes of soil erosion. There are various factors responsible for soil erosion. There are various factors responsible for soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused by flowing water, strong wind and human activities. Which is flowing waters, strong wind and human activities. Okay, soil erosion increases. Just discussing about some points. Soil erosion increases. Okay. Soil erosion increases when soil erosion increases erosion soil erosion increases when first one is it rains heavily. It rains heavily. This causes soil erosion. Okay. After that, next one is strong winds blow. Strong winds if strong winds blow, this is also responsible for soil erosion. This means strong winds carried away soil from one place to another place. Okay. Next one is too many trees are cut down. Too many trees are cut down. Okay. Too many trees are cut down. This is also known as deforestation. Too many trees cut down, also known as deforestation. Okay, this is also responsible for soil erosions. Next one is wrong method of farming are practiced. farming practice. Okay, these all four are responsible for soil erosions. Also, human activities. By human, cutting tree in large number, है ना, for different purposes, to establish industry, to establish factory. Humans cut down in large number of trees for house purposes, for different purposes. Human need cutting large number of trees. This is also responsible for soil erosions. Okay. Next one is conservation of soil. How we can conserve soil? The prevention of soil from erosion is called conservation of soil. Okay. The prevention of soil from erosion is called conservation of soil. How it is possible to conserve soil? What is process of conservation of soil? Which method help in conservation of soil? We all discuss here. Okay. Conservation of soil. Conservation of soil. Okay. The prevention of soil from erosion is called conservation of soil. It can be done by planting more tree. Just talking erosion in terms of erosion of soil, cutting down large number of tree, but in conservation of soil, planting tree in large number. If you want to conserve soil, if you want to prevent from erosion of soil, we will have to planting tree in large numbers. Okay, it means it can be done by planting more tree. Okay, next one is soil cannot. Next one is also proper method of farming. It means also you can say correct method of farming also help in conservation of soil. And dam should be constructed across the river. If dam constructed, this also help in conservation of soil. Okay, just talking about soil formation takes a long time, approx 500 years. Approx 500 years. This is very long time. So we should conserve the soil by various methods, by constructing dam, by planting more tree, by correct method of farming, and different things which is help in conservation of soil, prevent from erosion of soil. Okay, I hope